How to force restart a Windows 11 laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to force restart your Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop to fix issues such as it's frozen or it's not responding to touch, anything like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to force restart a Windows laptop. All we need to do is first find the power button, and on my Asus laptop, it just looks like that. It might look a little bit different on yours, but it should look similar. So go ahead and find that power button, and all we need to do is hold down the power button for around 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. You might see the backlight turn off or the display turn off, the backlight on your keyboard turn off, or even hear the fans turn off. Once you hear or see that happen, hold it down for around 10 seconds longer, and then we can let go, and then hold down the power button for around 2 to 3 seconds. And then you can let go. Now, it may take it a second to boot up after a forced restart, so just give it some time. But after a second or two, you should see it start to boot up and turn back on, and we have now forced restarted our laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.